If you are a man over 50, today's video may genuinely change the way you start your morning. I am Dr. Anglina Dcosta. In today's video I will share with you all one simple change, adding a specific natural ingredient to your daily coffee. It's safe, gentle, and has a long history of supporting male wellness. As a doctor who has worked with thousands of men dealing with prostate concerns, in this video, I break down why this ingredient works, how it helps reduce inflammation, supports healthy urination, improves nighttime comfort, and strengthens overall prostate function. You'll also learn how to prepare your morning cup the right way so you get the full benefits without affecting taste or digestion. My goal is simple: to help men over 50 protect their prostate, support hormonal balance, maintain energy, and feel confident in their health again. No extreme diets, no expensive supplements, just a practical, everyday habit anyone can follow. Make sure you watch till the end, because I'll also share important safety notes, the best time to drink this coffee, and who should avoid it. Your prostate health matters, and small daily steps can truly make a difference. Before we dive in, let me quickly ask you to support this channel. Give this video a like, drop a comment below telling me where you are watching from, and hit that subscribe button so you never miss my latest men's health updates. Let's get started. Firstly, let's see why men over 50 must protect their prostate. As a doctor who has worked closely with men for many years, I can confidently say one thing: after the age of 50, your prostate deserves your daily attention. Most men don't realize how quietly the prostate changes over time. It doesn't cause problems suddenly, it builds up slowly, often unnoticed, until one day you start experiencing frequent nighttime urination, weaker flow, discomfort, or a constant feeling that the bladder isn't empty. These issues are extremely common, but the good news is they are not a life sentence. The prostate is a small gland, but its role in a man's comfort, confidence, and overall health is huge. When it becomes enlarged or inflamed, it affects not only your urinary habits, but also your energy, sleep, and even your emotional well-being. Many men tell me they feel tired, irritated, or embarrassed because they constantly need to use the washroom. I always remind them, this isn't a sign of weakness. It's simply a call from the body asking for support. That's why protecting your prostate after 50 isn't optional, it's essential. You don't need extreme treatments or expensive supplements. Often, small lifestyle changes, natural foods, and healthier routines can bring remarkable improvements. Something as simple as the way you start your morning, the ingredients you add to your coffee, or the hydration habits you follow can make your prostate calmer, healthier, and more balanced. My goal in this video is to empower men over 50 with the knowledge they should have received long ago. No fear, no confusion, just clear, simple, science-backed guidance you can start using today. Your prostate is a part of you, and taking care of it is one of the best investments you can make for long-term comfort, strength, and vitality. Next, move on to morning habits that silently affect prostate health. Most men don't realize that some of the most damaging habits for the prostate happen early in the morning, before the day even truly begins. As a doctor, I always remind men that the first hour after waking sets the tone for how the prostate behaves throughout the day. Small mistakes in your morning routine can silently irritate the prostate, increase inflammation, and put constant pressure on the urinary system. One of the most common habits is rushing straight to caffeine on an empty stomach. Coffee itself isn't the enemy, but drinking it without hydration or proper nourishment can dehydrate the body and make the prostate more sensitive. The bladder and prostate share a close connection, and when they get irritated early in the day, discomfort tends to linger for hours. Another hidden issue is holding in your morning urine. Many men delay going to the washroom after waking, especially if they are busy or in a hurry. This puts unnecessary pressure on the prostate and can weaken bladder function over time. Emptying the bladder first thing in the morning is one of the simplest ways to support prostate comfort. Skipping breakfast or eating heavy, oily foods can also trigger inflammation. The prostate responds well to nutrients that calm the body, reduce swelling, and balance hormones. Starting the morning with something gentle, like fruit, oats, or nuts, helps stabilize your system and reduces stress on the prostate. Even emotional habits matter. Rushing, stressing, and starting the day with tension can increase cortisol, which indirectly affects hormone levels connected to prostate health. The good news is that making small adjustments, hydrating before coffee, emptying the bladder promptly, choosing lighter foods, and slowing down your morning can create noticeable improvements. These simple steps can support a calmer, healthier, and more comfortable prostate throughout the day. In this section I will explain the coffee mistake most men make without realizing. Coffee is a part of almost every man's morning routine, especially after the age of 50. It helps you wake up, stay alert, and feel ready for the day. But what many men don't realize is that one small mistake with their daily coffee can quietly irritate the prostate and create long-term discomfort. And the surprising part is, most men make this mistake every single day without knowing it. The biggest issue is drinking strong, concentrated coffee on an empty stomach, without any hydration beforehand. Coffee is naturally acidic and dehydrating. When it enters the body before any water, it forces the bladder and prostate to work harder. This can lead to irritation, inflammation, and that familiar urge to urinate more frequently throughout the day. Many men blame age for this, when in reality, their morning coffee routine is partly responsible. Another hidden mistake is using too much sugar or chemical creamers. These artificial ingredients may taste good, but they increase inflammation in the body. For men over 50, inflammation is one of the biggest enemies of prostate health. Even flavored syrups, sweetened powders, or heavy dairy can make the prostate more sensitive. Some men also drink coffee too quickly, or consume multiple cups back to back. This sudden caffeine load overstimulates the bladder and creates unnecessary pressure on the prostate. You might feel jittery, uneasy, or find yourself visiting the washroom more often than usual. The solution isn't to quit coffee. The real solution is to prepare it the right way. Drink a glass of water before your first cup, reduce artificial additives, choose gentler natural ingredients, and avoid taking it on an empty stomach. With just a few small adjustments, you can continue enjoying your morning coffee while keeping your prostate calm, supported, and comfortable. Now let's move on to our main topic, the natural ingredient that supports prostate function. When it comes to supporting prostate comfort naturally, one ingredient stands out for men over 50: pumpkin seed powder. It's simple, gentle, and backed by generations of traditional use. And the best part is, you can easily mix it into your morning coffee without changing the flavor in a big way. Pumpkin seeds have long been known for their rich nutritional profile. They are naturally loaded with zinc, magnesium, healthy fats, and antioxidant compounds, all of which play a quiet but important role in helping the body stay balanced as men age. These nutrients support overall wellness, help your body manage inflammation, and keep your urinary system functioning smoothly. Many men don't realize how much the prostate depends on proper mineral levels to stay calm and comfortable. Using pumpkin seed powder in the morning is an easy habit that fits effortlessly into daily life. Just a small half teaspoon stirred into your coffee can give your body a steady supply of these valuable nutrients. You don't need anything expensive, complicated, or hard to prepare. Pumpkin seed powder is simply a food, nothing more, and that makes it safe and accessible for most people. Men often ask me why this ingredient is helpful. The answer is simple. As the body ages, certain nutrients become harder to absorb, and the prostate becomes more sensitive to inflammation, stress, and hormonal changes. The natural components in pumpkin seeds help provide steady nourishment that supports comfort, balance, and everyday wellness. This isn't a miracle fix, and it's not a medical treatment. It's simply a smart, natural addition to your morning routine that helps men take better care of themselves. Over time, small choices like this can contribute to healthier habits and a calmer, more comfortable prostate. In this section, I will discuss in detail how this ingredient reduces inflammation and discomfort in your prostate. One of the reasons pumpkin seed powder has gained so much attention in natural wellness is its ability to gently support the body's response to everyday inflammation. As men grow older, the body becomes more sensitive to stress, diet, and hormonal changes. These small shifts can quietly create tension around the urinary system, leading to discomfort, frequent urges, or a feeling of heaviness. That's where pumpkin seed powder plays a helpful role. Pumpkin seeds are naturally rich in antioxidants, compounds that help the body deal with oxidative stress. When the body experiences less stress, it tends to stay calmer, and this calmness often reflects in the way the prostate and urinary system feel throughout the day. The antioxidants in pumpkin seeds work slowly and steadily, supporting the body from within without overpowering it. Another important component is magnesium, a mineral known for helping muscles relax. When the muscles around the bladder and pelvic area feel more relaxed, men often notice a smoother sense of comfort. This simple relaxation can ease the feeling of pressure that many men over 50 silently struggle with. Pumpkin seed powder also contains healthy plant fats that support overall hormonal balance. These natural fats help the body function more smoothly, and when hormones feel balanced, inflammation tends to stay lower. This doesn't just help with physical comfort, it can also improve energy levels and emotional well-being. What makes pumpkin seed powder truly valuable is that it works through nourishment, not force. It doesn't push the body, it supports it. By giving your system the minerals, fats, and antioxidants it naturally needs, you create an environment where discomfort is less likely to flare up. This small daily habit, especially when added to your morning coffee, can slowly reduce irritation and help you feel more at ease throughout the day. One of the most common concerns men over 50 share with me is the constant struggle with urinary discomfort, slow flow, frequent urges, and the tiring habit of waking up several times at night. These issues may feel small at first, but over time, they begin to affect sleep, energy, mood, and daily confidence. This is where pumpkin seed powder can offer gentle and noticeable support. Pumpkin seeds contain nutrients that help the body maintain a balanced and calm urinary system. The natural plant compounds in them assist in supporting the normal function of the bladder muscles. When these muscles feel relaxed and supported, the flow tends to feel smoother and more controlled. Many men report that they feel less strain and pressure during urination after adding pumpkin seed powder to their routine. Nighttime relief is another major benefit. For many men, waking up multiple times every night disrupts restful sleep, leaving them tired and irritated the next day. The combination of antioxidants, magnesium, and healthy fats found in pumpkin seeds helps the body settle into a calmer state. When inflammation stays lower and the bladder feels more relaxed, the urge to get up frequently often reduces naturally. This improved comfort helps men sleep deeper and longer, which directly affects overall health. Better sleep supports hormones, boosts energy, and improves mood, creating a positive cycle that benefits the entire body. What makes pumpkin seed powder especially helpful is how gentle it is. It doesn't act harshly, and it doesn't force changes. Instead, it nourishes the body in a way that supports natural urinary balance. Over time, this small morning habit can bring relief that feels steady, natural, and dependable. For men over 50, even a slight improvement in urinary flow and nighttime comfort can make daily life feel lighter and more manageable. Now I will discuss in detail how to mix this ingredient into your coffee correctly to get 100% results. As a doctor, I always remind men that the way you prepare something is just as important as what you use. Pumpkin seed powder is a wonderful natural addition for men over 50, but mixing it into your coffee the right way ensures you get all its benefits without affecting the taste or causing any discomfort. The first and most important step is hydration. Before taking your first sip of coffee, drink a small glass of water. This simple habit prepares your digestive system and prevents dehydration, which is especially important because coffee can be drying. Once your body is hydrated, prepare your regular cup of coffee as you normally would. Before adding any milk or sweetener, take half a teaspoon of pumpkin seed powder and sprinkle it gently on top of the hot coffee. Don't dump it in all at once, this is where most men go wrong. Pouring it too quickly can make the powder clump and sit on the surface. Instead, sprinkle it slowly and stir steadily, for 10 to 15 seconds. Hot liquid helps the powder dissolve smoothly. If you prefer a creamier texture, you can add a small amount of warm milk or plant-based milk, which blends beautifully with the powder and gives the coffee a softer finish. Avoid adding too much powder. Pumpkin seed powder is nutrient-dense, so more is not necessarily better. Half a teaspoon is enough for most men, and you can increase gradually if your body feels comfortable. For men who enjoy cold coffee, mix the powder in a tablespoon of warm water first to create a smooth paste. Then add it to your chilled drink. This ensures even mixing without lumps. When done correctly, your coffee stays delicious, and your body receives a gentle dose of natural nourishment every morning. One of the most common questions men over 50 ask me is, "Doctor, when should I drink this coffee for the best results?" And the truth is, timing matters more than most people think. The goal is not just to enjoy your morning cup, but to help your body absorb the nutrients from pumpkin seed powder in the most effective and comfortable way. The ideal time to drink this enhanced coffee is in the morning, shortly after waking up, but not on a completely empty stomach. As a doctor, I always recommend starting your day with a glass of water first. This simple step wakes up your digestive system and prepares your body to absorb nutrients more efficiently. After hydrating, give your body a few minutes. Stretch, breathe, or have a small bite of something light, like a piece of fruit, a few nuts, or even a small cracker. This prevents acidity and keeps your morning calm and balanced. Once your stomach is slightly prepared, enjoy your coffee with pumpkin seed powder. Morning is the best time because your body responds more positively to nutrients that support overall comfort, urinary balance, and daily energy early in the day. This timing also helps reduce the chances of nighttime restlessness, since the body has the entire day to process the nutrients. For men who drink more than 1 cup of coffee, only add pumpkin seed powder to the first cup, not every cup. Consistency matters more than quantity. I also advise avoiding this enhanced coffee late in the evening. Caffeine at night can disturb sleep, and restful sleep is essential for hormone balance and overall prostate comfort. By drinking your coffee at the right time, hydrated, relaxed, and prepared, you give your body the chance to receive steady, gentle support throughout the day. Next, I will explain who should avoid it. As helpful and natural as pumpkin seed powder is, it's important for me, as a doctor, to remind everyone that no single food ingredient is suitable for absolutely everyone. Most men over 50 can enjoy it comfortably as part of their morning routine, but there are a few situations where extra caution is wise. First, anyone who has a known allergy to pumpkin seeds or nuts should avoid pumpkin seed powder completely. Even though it is a natural food ingredient, allergies can cause reactions, and it's always better to stay safe. Second, if someone has digestive sensitivities, such as frequent bloating or trouble digesting high-fiber foods, they should start with a very small amount, or avoid it until they feel comfortable. Pumpkin seeds are nutrient-dense, and some individuals may feel heaviness if taken in large amounts too quickly. Third, men who are on strict dietary plans, recommended by their healthcare professional, especially plans that limit seeds, fats, or certain minerals, should check with their provider before adding anything new to their routine. It's not about danger, it's about staying aligned with their personal health plan. Fourth, individuals who are managing long-term health conditions that require medication should simply be mindful. Pumpkin seed powder is a food, not a treatment, but it is still wise to ensure new habits fit smoothly with your overall lifestyle and medical guidance. Lastly, if someone feels discomfort after using it, even in small amounts, the body may simply not be responding well, and that's perfectly okay. Not every natural ingredient suits every person. My message is simple: listen to your body. Pumpkin seed powder is gentle and helpful for many men, but your comfort should always come first. In this section, I will discuss additional foods to add in your diet that support a healthy prostate. When it comes to maintaining a healthy prostate, many men focus only on 1 or 2 ingredients. But the truth is, your daily food choices can make a tremendous difference in how comfortable, calm, and balanced your body feels. Adding a few natural, nutrient-rich foods to your routine can work alongside pumpkin seed powder to support overall wellness, especially after the age of 50. These foods don't act like medicines, they simply nourish your body in a gentle, steady way. One of the most helpful foods for prostate wellness is tomatoes. They contain a natural pigment called lycopene, which is known for supporting overall cellular health. When tomatoes are cooked, like in soups or sauces, the body absorbs this compound even better. Regularly enjoying cooked tomatoes can help your body manage everyday inflammation and support long-term comfort. Another excellent choice is green vegetables, especially broccoli, cauliflower, spinach, and kale. These vegetables are rich in fiber, vitamins, and natural plant compounds that encourage detoxification and balance. Because the prostate sits close to the bladder and digestive system, eating fiber-rich vegetables helps everything operate smoothly. This lowers the chance of discomfort and supports healthier daily habits. Berries are also a smart addition. Blueberries, strawberries, and blackberries are full of antioxidants that help the body deal with oxidative stress, something that naturally increases with age. Adding a handful of berries to breakfast, or enjoying them as a snack, is a simple way to support your body's overall resilience. For healthy fats, walnuts, almonds, and flax seeds are wonderful options. These foods contain omega-3 and omega-6 fats that help support hormonal balance and reduce stiffness in the body. A small handful of nuts, or a teaspoon of flaxseed on your morning oats or yogurt can make a noticeable difference over time. Many men also benefit from including green tea in their routine. Green tea contains natural compounds that support cellular health and help the body maintain calm, steady energy. If coffee irritates you on certain days, switching to green tea for a while can give your body a refreshing break. Another underrated food is watermelon. It's hydrating, gentle on the stomach, and contains a natural compound called citrulline, which is known for supporting blood flow and overall comfort. Staying hydrated is one of the easiest ways to keep the urinary system functioning smoothly. Lastly, consider adding turmeric to your meals. This bright yellow spice has been used for centuries in traditional wellness practices. It supports comfort, digestion, and overall balance. Using just a pinch in soups, curries, or warm milk can support your body without overwhelming it. The important thing to remember is that prostate wellness isn't about big, dramatic changes. It's about small, consistent choices, foods that nourish your body, instead of stressing it. When you combine pumpkin seed powder with wholesome vegetables, fruits, nuts, seeds, and hydrating drinks, you give your body everything it needs to stay comfortable and strong. Bonus tips for all my viewers watching this video. Over the years, I've noticed something very important. Men over 50 don't need complicated routines, supplements, or strict diets to stay healthy. What they truly need is a simple, consistent daily routine that supports their energy, comfort, and overall well-being. Small habits, when repeated daily, create powerful long-term benefits. Here is a gentle, realistic routine I often recommend to my patients and viewers who want to take better care of their prostate and general health. Start your morning with a glass of warm water. This simple habit wakes up your digestive system, hydrates your body, and prepares your urinary system to function more smoothly throughout the day. Hydration is the foundation of prostate comfort, and many men underestimate how much their body needs it. After hydrating, spend 5 minutes stretching. Focus on your lower back, hips, and pelvic area. These gentle stretches relax the muscles surrounding the bladder and prostate. When these muscles stay flexible, men often feel less pressure and tension. Next comes your coffee, with half a teaspoon of pumpkin seed powder. Enjoy it calmly, not in a rush. Drinking coffee too quickly or on an empty stomach can irritate your system, so take a moment to settle into your day. If you prefer tea some days, choose green tea for its natural soothing properties. For breakfast, choose something light yet nourishing: oats, fruits, nuts, yogurt, or eggs. Heavy, oily foods early in the morning can trigger inflammation, so gentle, wholesome foods make your morning easier and keep your prostate more relaxed. Try to walk for 20 to 30 minutes every day. Walking improves circulation, supports heart health, and reduces stiffness in the lower body. Even a slow, comfortable walk counts. The key is consistency, not intensity. Throughout the day, aim to drink 6 to 8 glasses of water, but avoid drinking large amounts at once. Small, steady sips prevent nighttime bathroom trips, and help maintain comfortable urinary flow. At lunchtime, include green vegetables like spinach, broccoli, or beans. These foods support digestion, and help your body stay balanced. Add tomatoes or berries whenever you can, they are excellent for long-term cellular health. In the afternoon, take a short break for deep breathing. Stress affects hormones, and can indirectly influence prostate comfort. Just 3 minutes of relaxed breathing can calm your system and reduce tension. For dinner, keep things light. Choose soups, steamed vegetables, lentils, fish, or lightly cooked meals. Heavy dinners often disturb sleep, and create more nighttime discomfort. Before bed, limit caffeine and avoid drinking large amounts of water. Spend a few minutes reflecting, reading, or practicing calm breathing. Restful sleep is essential for hormonal balance and daily healing. This routine is simple, gentle, and realistic. It doesn't demand perfection, only consistency. Small habits create big improvements, and every step you take will support your comfort, energy, and confidence as you move through your 50s and beyond. So there you have it, viewers. Dr. Anglina Dcosta signing up this vid. I want to leave you with one powerful reminder: your health is your greatest lifelong investment. No matter your age, 50, 60, 70, or beyond, it is never too late to take charge of your body, your mind, and your future. Every small step you take today becomes a gift you give to your tomorrow. And the beautiful truth is that men who commit to long-term wellness often find more strength, more clarity, and more confidence than they ever had in their younger years. Long-term wellness is not about perfection. It's about building habits that support you day after day, even when life gets busy. It's about choosing foods that nourish rather than drain, staying active in ways that bring joy instead of stress, and creating a daily rhythm that protects your energy. When you care for your health with intention, you aren't just adding years to your life, you're adding life to your years. Remember that real change doesn't happen overnight. Healing, strengthening, and restoring your body is a gradual process. Some days you'll feel strong, and other days you may feel tired or discouraged, but progress is still happening underneath the surface. Be patient with yourself. Celebrate every improvement, no matter how small. Drinking more water, taking a short walk, getting better sleep, choosing whole foods, or simply breathing deeply when stress tries to take over. These moments of care build the foundation of your long-term wellness. Also, never underestimate the power of consistency. Even the simplest habits, stretching for 5 minutes in the morning, adding colorful fruits and vegetables to your meals, practicing gratitude, or going to bed at the same time each night, can transform your body from the inside out. Your hormones, circulation, digestion, brain health, and energy levels all respond positively when you treat your body with respect. And with age, these routines become not just helpful but essential. Take time to listen to your body. If something feels off, don't ignore it. Your health is not a burden, it is a blessing. Seek medical guidance when needed, stay informed, and make decisions that support your long-term vitality. You deserve to feel strong. You deserve to enjoy life, without pain or fatigue pulling you down. You deserve a future filled with purpose, joy, and freedom. Thank you for joining me. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural health tips, designed especially for seniors who want to stay healthy, strong, and independent. May you continue to walk with strength, energy, and joy. Until next time, take care of yourself, you deserve it. Thanks for watching.